All right, thing is dumping. All right, so gold. Let's just get a picture of the scenario. Let's just understand the scenario that we're at right now when it comes to gold. So gold, we are from this top to this bottom here. This whole sequence. That's one sequence. We have the supply zone here that I thought actually that we would come up and hit before dropping down. And we have this sweet spot zone here. In the same time, while we have this sweet spot zone, you see this yellow dotted lines here representing the sweet spot from this sequence. We also in the sweet spot from this sequence, so the much bigger sequence. You see this filled yellow lines. That's the bigger sweet spot. So we just went in both of these sweet spots. And what does that mean? That means we're picking up a lot of liquidity. So basically, gold is loading up for a move, is what I think. And we get the 20-day EMA on the 4-hourly time frame that I think market will come and test right now. So I think this drop that's going on right now will come down all the way to the 20-day EMA, bounce off it. See on the daily time frame? No, nothing. All right, let's remove this. So right now, basically, I'm seeing this. Market is coming down to test the 20-day EMA on the 4-hourly time frame and to test the 50% Fibonacci retracement from this whole swing, this whole sequence that I was talking about. In the same time, and let's do like this. Let's remove this so we don't get confused with all these lines. In the same time, we got this sequence here. And that sequence, all right, so we see, one thing we see directly is that the market is resting against 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. And but I think it's going to break it to the 23.6 retracement level is not very strong. If you see market coming, respecting it and bouncing off it, then you know that the bounce off is going to be big, because that means like there wasn't much sell pressure in the market. Market came down to the most shallow retracement level and just bounced off directly. So you're gonna know that you're gonna see a nice pump from there. Most often, the levels you're looking for is the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement and the sweet spot that I just mentioned, which is the 50% to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Let me distinguish this one. Yeah, let's do it like that. So once again, the big sweet spot zone, and here we got the smaller levels. Super sweet, yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's a super sweet spot zone. So right now, when it comes to gold, I could basically see this. If we got sell pressure in the market, I would not want to enter a trade now, because I think this can happen. Market can come up again, retest this top of this big sweet spot that I mentioned before, retest it, and from there make the big move down to this sweet spot or even further down. So if market comes back up here and retest this level as resistance, and we see that the resistance level is showing strength, it holds, then we got a nice trade going on there. That will be a nice trade for us. Definitely don't want to have a 50 pip stop loss. We would try to catch it as high up as possible, but it's always difficult. And yeah, 40 pip stop loss on gold is quite okay. this trade would be 1 to 9, even more ratio, win to loss ratio. Basically what it means is, if it's 1 to 9 win to loss ratio, it means that, for y'all that don't know, it means that in one win I can afford 9 losses. So that you always want to have a good win to loss ratio, but don't steer yourself blind on that ratio, because a lot of people focus too much on the ratio and make bad trades because of that. So this is what we got for gold. We want to see this happen. Come back up here, test this level, and from there move down. And when will it come back to this level? Either from here, from 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, or from this 20-day EMA on the 4-hourly time frame. So somewhere around here, I think it will bounce up and test this level again. If not, we're looking for other setups. But this is what I see happening. Let's see if I'm a wizard, if this plays out as I'm saying it. Yeah, that's that for gold. We leave gold there, and I can do like this. I can post this in the Telegram channel. If you guys ain't in the Telegram channel, then the link is in the description box below.